In this video, I will discuss how to use the mopping function of the Vacuum-Mop P. This is the 2-in-1 dust compartment that can be used for vacuum plus mopping mode as well as only mopping mode. It can be opened from the front to clean any dust that has collected. For filling water, open it from the top. You can use a glass for filling water. Do not use any disinfectant liquid, just simple water. Although the quantity of water seems less, it was able to clean 3/4 of the house. Make sure that you securely close the water tank lid before you put it in the main body. It is recommended that you use the mopping function in your presence so that you can keep a check on the water levels. So this is the mop holder. The wet mop pad must already be attached to it. So I will put it after you have put it from here, make sure that you press the velcro from the edges. Now this is ready to be installed. What we will do is, these are the two clips, pinch it and put it at the bottom. Let's have a look. So from this side it will be put. And as you can see, this is fixed. Now we are ready to use the mop function. I've selected the kitchen area for cleaning. As you can see, this is the condition before the cleaning. There are some spots that you can see. I have selected the mop plus vacuum function with the medium water level option. It has started by cleaning the edges first and then it mopped around the entire kitchen area. The mopping is over. Let's have a look at the kitchen. So those tough stains are still present. So I again ran the vacuum. This time I have used the mopping mode only with high water level option. This is the spot where the stains were there. This time the mop has spent a lot more time cleaning the entire kitchen and there are traces of water all over the kitchen. Certainly the cleaning quality has been better this time. The mopping is over. It is going back to the docking station. Make sure before it docks itself and starts charging, you have removed the dust compartment as well as the mop. This is the condition of the mop after the cleaning process is over. Remove the mop from the holder and wash it under running water. And here is the cleaned floor. As you can see, those stains have this time gone. So I guess with regular mopping, it will be able to clean better and remove the stains easily.